Now, let's begin our lesson. First of all, look at the blackboard. Brainstorming. Yes, smiles wake up. Look at the smiles and make their emotions. Do you understand me? Yes. Yes. Now, who wants? Do you know what cartoon is it? Yes. What cartoon? Inside Out. Yes, Inside Out. Now, choose one of these emotions or one of these characters and show me their characters. Yes, or emotions. Now, let's begin. Who wants it? Bir кейіпкерді алып, соның эмоциясын немесе характерін көрсету. Now, who wants it? Quickly. Who wants? Тез біреуін таңдаймыз ба? Яғни соның кейіпкердің характерін немесе эмоциясын көрсетеміз. Me, please. I choose angry. Angry? Yes. Show me. Yes, good. Good. Take your place. Now, angry and the next who?
I choose joy.
Joy, yes.
And this emotion is very happy.
Yes. Take your place. Now, good. The next. Thank you very much. It was very well and very, very interesting. Yes. Now, check your home task. First, all this lesson, I will assess you by these tickets, popcorn, and clothes. When you go to the cinema, we take tickets, yes? And when you see or watch film or cartoon, you will eat popcorn and coke, yes? Now, check out your home task. Now, what was your home task for today's lesson? What was your home task? Үйренебедің?
Exercise 6,
81. Now, let's check your home task. Who wants to read? Ағылшын, please.
How many children do you have?
How many children will you have? Has she got mistakes? No. Your first ticket for the film. Asian, please.
Will you be a millionaire?
Will you be a millionaire? Has she got mistakes? No. Ayala, please.
What job will you do?
Good. Your tickets. Ayala.
Will you be alive in the next century?
Will you?
Be alive in the next century?
Has she got mistakes? No. Right, please.
When will they complete?
Has she got mistakes?
When?
No. The last lesson, yes? The last sentence. Now let's divide you into two groups, negative and positive. First, you must take these papers, and you must find opposite these words. Now, come here. Ambitious. The theme of our lesson is adjective. Adjective characteristics. Яғни адамдардың мінез құлқын білдіретін сын есімдер, иә? Now, first, we must know new words for today's lesson. Бүгінгі жаңа сабақ бойынша жаңа сөздерді оқып үйренуіміз керек. Yes? Now, listen to me. Listen and repeat after me. Now, helpful, helpful. Easygoing, easygoing. Impatient, impatient. Ambitious, 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 ambitious. Friendly, friendly. Negative, negative. Shy, shy. Generous, 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 generous. Creative, 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 creative. Modest, 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 modest. Peaceful, 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 peaceful. Serious, 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 serious. Mean, 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 mean. Patient, 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 patient. Outgoing, outgoing. Moody, moody. Positive, positive. And the last, funny, 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 funny. Funny is күлкілі болған, yes? It's joy, yes? In inside out cartoon. Character of joy. Now, group work. Today we go to the cartoon inside out. Do you understand? Yes? And today we work in group, in pair, and individual. Do you understand me? First, we work in group. Who is the best? Who is the best? Кім мықты деген ойын арқылы біз бүгінгі сабақта жаңа сабақты бастаймыз. Яғни мына жерде you must write. You must first look at these pictures and find what character. Or you must choose. You must look at this emotion and write what character is it. Do you understand me? Yes. Now, first group, your paper. Right. Marker. Come here.
This picture,
No, take it.
this guy is showing us easygoing emotion, and in this picture, we view friendly character, and this girl is very shy.
This girl is very shy. Easygoing, friendly, and shy. Is their answer correct?
Yes, yes.
Take it, please. Now, the negative. Come.
This picture shows a generous character, and this boy shows
Picture.
picture show creative character. And this girl shows a very negative character.
Is very negative character. Yes. Take your place. Good. Is their answer correct or have mistakes? Correct. Yes. Okay. They haven't no mistakes. Good. Now, the next. Pair work. Let's play. What do today we play? What do we today play? Biz bugün yeni oynayacağız. Your mark. Today's lesson. Now, what will today play? Now, today we play numerology, and you must calculate your birthday, your month, and your birth year. Do you understand me? You must add and calculate one number. Payable. It's a payable. It's a payable. Do you understand me? Жұптасып жасаймыз. Яғни жұптарменен отырып, туған күндерімізді, айымызды, жылымызды қосамыз да, не істейміз? Бір санды шығарып, соған қарай характерін табамыз. Walk in pair. Жұптасып. Please. Ayala and Azima.
My friend's number is 3, and she is sometimes very negative.
3.
Yes.
Negative.
Sometimes
And
she is very artistic
has a good
and has a good imagination.
Ayala, please, about Azima.
And my friend's number is 8. He is working a lot sometimes ambitious,
Occasionally impatient. Good answer. Now, your goal. Now, cooked. Asia and Gotem, please.
My friend's number is 8, and I agree that she is good at saying things and sometimes ambitious. My father is number 5. I'm agree that she is positive sometimes and impatient.
Good answer. I am right in the Ағылшын. Positive.
My friend's number is 9, and I agree that she is sometimes moody and creative.
Generous.
My friend's number is 2. I agree that moody thinks about other people and sometimes shy.
Sometimes shy. Good answer. Now, positive, please. Islam and
my friend's number is 4. I agree that he is sometimes serious. My friend number is 5. I agree
that he is sometimes impatient, and he is artistic, likes helping people. Yes. Good. Sit down. Your coat. Now, who wants? Erasmus and Biksham, please.
my best friend's number is 9.
He is creative, generous, sometimes moody. Yes.
My best friend number 3 and artistic has a
He is
artistic has a good
Imagination.
sometimes negative.
Negative, yes. Your mark for today's lesson. Wait, for today's your answer. Now, the next. Walk in individual walk. Now, open your books, page number 82, exercise 2. Now, choose adjectives from the text A to describe the people. Walk Кітабымыздан 82-ші беттегі 2-ші жаттығуды орындаймыз. Individual work, it's individual work. Жеке жұмыс жасаймыз. Дәптеріңізге жазып, in your copybooks, write down in your copybooks. Have you finished?
Yes.
Now let's check. Have you finished?
Yes.
Now check your tasks. Who wants to read? Please, Ajima. The first.
Erasmus is very modest.
Erasmus is very modest. The second.
Always helpful. Always very helpful.
Sit down. Now who wants the third sentence? Who wants to read the third sentence? Right. The fourth. Так, now who wants Asia, please? The sixth.
Asya is negative.
The seventh. Peaceful. Nurayman, please. The eighth. The eighth sentence. Friendly. Arushan, please.
Nurlan is patient.
Так. Сезім. The ninth sentence. Lovely. Katosha. Alina. Alina is great. Yes. Now, Islam, please, the last. 11th sentence, the last. No, in
Umut is negative.
Umut is negative. Now, that's all. For now, feedback. How do you think? How lesson was? Who wants to answer for this lesson? For these questions? Who wants to answer? Please, Asima.
The lesson was very interesting and delightful.
Now, what did you get from this lesson?
From this lesson, I get more information from people's
Who was this lesson interesting for you?
Yes.
Who wants negative? Wrong negative. Who wants to answer this question? Your feedback for today's lesson. Asia, please. How lesson was?
For me, lesson was very good.
What did you get from this lesson?
In this lesson, I get new emotion and new characters of people.
Was this lesson interesting for you?
For me, yes, it is.
Now open your diaries and write down the today's homework. Your homework workbook exercise 1 and 2, page 16. Stand up. The lesson is over.